Signs of 4-month sleep regression? There are so many causes and signals to look for, and they've probably been there for a while, you just didn't put the pieces together. Increased fussiness, babies are fussier anyway. That's just something that comes with the territory. They don't have any other way of expressing themselves at this point, and there are tons of simple ways to calm a fussy baby. But when that level of fussiness increases for no apparent reason, and it's affecting their bedtime, then you're mostly likely entering regression. Napping longer, there must be balance. If baby isn't sleeping at night, then they're going to be tired during the day. They'll either start taking more frequent naps or just one, big long one. Increased napping could mean simple growth spurts, but if that's the case, then they should still be sleeping at night. Frequent nighttime waking, this sign is sort of a no-brainer. Sleep regression is frequent nighttime waking and the inability to easily go back to sleep. At this stage in life, they wake during the night anyway, for feeding or a diaper change, but if you find it's too often, more than twice, then it's probably regression. Change in appetite. At 4 months, it's hard to really have a significant change in appetite because babies are usually on a strict diet of breast milk or formula. But signs to look for are refusing to drink, difficulty latching, spitting out the formula, or a major increase in eating. Inconsolable for no reason, like I said before, crying and fussing are a 4-month-old's only real way of communicating or expressing themselves. So, it's expected, but when it gets to the point where mom's snuggles and soothing remedies don't console the baby, then it's most likely some level of regression. So, don't let it get you down. Mummy's snuggles are still needed and very much appreciated. Restless when they're finally sleeping, finally. It's 4 a.m. and baby has decided that enough is enough, they're going to sleep for a bit. But you notice that even now, they're restless. They don't rest in the same position or fall into that deep sleep that you wish you could at that very moment. That's because the rest they are getting is very light and their bodies are restless. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Share and comments, subscribe now for new videos and update.